Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI 27-inch 280Hz curved gaming monitor. So friend, MSI has announced the MAG 276 CQF is a 27-inch curved display with a price is approximately $220 and the monitor features a Full HD resolution 920 into 1080 pixel and utilizes a rapid VA panel with a 1500R curvature and designed to envelop the user and enhance impression in gaming and multimedia content. And the standard feature of the monitor, it is exceptionally high refresh rate of 280 Hz, which surpasses the standard 144 Hz and 240 Hz found in many gaming monitors, and coupled with a rapid response time of 0.5 millisecond gray to gray, minimum value response time and ultra smooth motion and reduced input lag, and crucial for competitive gaming scenarios like first-person shooter and racing games, and the inclusion of anti-motion blur technology for the refine the visual experience by minimizing blurring during fast-paced game. And the monitor also incorporate AI vision technology intelligence and adjust display parameters such as brightness, contrast, and color temperature based on content being viewed, and thereby optimize image quality in real life, and support for HDR enhanced dynamic contrast ratio and color accuracy while adapting technology and synchronize the monitor refresh rate with comfortable graphics card, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for seamless gaming experience. And the monitor covers 94% of sRGB color space, 78% of DCI-P3 color gamut, ensuring vibrant and accurate color reproduction, and the viewing angle of 178 degree both horizontally and vertically, and the connectivity option including two HDMI 2.0 port, one DisplayPort 1.4 and headphone jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.